says Miss Purple, if you guys can see that. This car adjusted. That big block Mopar sounds great. Holy cow, that thing sounds good. Get some more of that. Man, 1980s style paint job on this car. But they did a good job on the base, the main color. That thing is straight 56 Chevy. Now, I doubt the video is going to show it because of the glare with the sun, but this car got a little chip right here. There's a little chip on the rocker, but there's another little chip. But the car itself is really, really straight. Let's back up a little bit and get you a good look at it. I walk too fast. It's 55, ain't it? Yeah, 55. I said 56, but I meant 55. Yeah, that's a with the stripe that humps up like that. That's a style you don't see anymore. Back in the early 80s, mid 80s, saw a lot of that kind of stuff. Usually they came up with another color too. It was usually 3 colors, and then the base color, main color. But you don't see that anymore. But this is a nice. He's got his bumpers painted. Pretty cool. Just sitting here. We're gonna call this the parking lot series. Check out the lights in the Challenger. See what I'm talking about? Purple, kind of green, blue, purple again, yellow, green. All right, 72 Chevelle. This is a little parking lot show. What's going on right here at Robert's Famous Hot Dogs. I was passing through on the way up to Field Agent Motors and seen a bunch of cool cars parked out here, so I thought I'd just stop and do a quick walkthrough. There was some music playing a little while ago in the background, so Bob may have to do some creative editing. This is Field Agent 880 coming to you from Bob and Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and you know, come along with me. We'll walk around and do a little shoot on. One thing I noticed, this is 72, is the difference between 71 and 72. About the only way I can tell is 71 has a bar that comes across that park light. 72's got a solid light, but it's a nice looking car. A couple more over here. Like I said, I might not go into too much detail, but this is you can do a pretty quick walk around. Nice long bed C10 down there, and this little little Nova. It's probably 73, I guess, 73, 74. It's right before they changed the body style completely. They had the bigger bumpers on them. So bear with me a little bit. Like I said, there's some music playing, so Bob may have to edit over this. Man, there's some nice looking cars out here. It'll just be a little parking lot cruise in. So bear with me. It's a beautiful 57. Kind of a pro touring, pro mod looking car. Power windows. Oh, that's nice. How are you doing, sir? It's a really nice sanitary LS powered car. Yeah, a little dune buggy. I've always liked these things. How cool is that? You know, be like driving a go-kart on the street. It's be a bunch of fun. But my, look what's in this one. Most of these are Volkswagen powered. This looks like this is maybe Chevy powered. Yep, looks like a Vortec. That's this Vortec right there. So it's probably a 4.3 liter V6. Oh man, it's a nice looking Cuda. Looks like it's coming. I'll try to get it as it comes by. I saw this car as I came in. It was a 446 pack under the hood. Man, that thing sounds good. Oh, it's a stick car too. I was hoping to catch that one before it left and do a walk around on it, but there it is. I'll try to get the rest of these. Nice looking blue Chevelle. Kind of pan the back side of these. A late model Mustang. I always like these old trucks too. Like that one. Like the door says Misfit on it or something. It's pretty cool. So I said, bear with me, I'm just going to do a quick walk through. I don't have a lot of time. I was on the way up to the shop taking the brown truck up there, trying to get some more progress on it. But yeah, I had to stop and take a look. It's pretty blue on that Chevelle. How you doing?
How you doing?
Doing good. That's a beautiful Chevelle.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, no worries. I'm just wandering through. I seen all these cars here, and I generally shoot videos for my buddy's YouTube channel, Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. So I was passing by, going to the shop, take that old brown truck over there, trying to get some wheels and tires put on it. And I saw all these cars, and I'm like, hey, I got to at least stop and walk through, even if I just jog through, you know.
Right.
Yeah.
That's the way I am too.
Yeah. Man, that's a cool looking truck. I like the door on that. I said, I'm just going to wander through. That little Falcon's pretty cool.
The paint on this nose is sharp. Golly, that red is bright, bright. Oh yeah. It's a little ranchero. Just kind of paying that line right there. It's like a Cutlass and a Corvette. Like that old Ford in that little coupe. So I'm gonna try to catch these. It's that coupe. Like a really nice looking Camaro. I really like that look. The dark color with those vanilla looking wheels. I thought that's pretty sharp. Another C10, really nice looking, clean truck. Setting down a little bit. Yeah, a short bed truck, I believe. Got a passenger in it, just ready for Halloween. Good looking truck. Another little Chevy too. Boy, that thing's clean. Look under the hood, even the insulation and stuff. Oh, that's sharp. I'll walk on up this aisle right here. Wow, little gasser. How cool is that? Look at those headers. Man. Yeah, this is, yeah, it's a gasser style, but this is a nice car, man. The workmanship and the paint and clean. Man, this thing's clean as can be. What a nice car. This one, this is the LS powered Chevelle. I know that. That's a 70. You know, we looked at the 72 earlier, and you know, we talked about the difference on the marker lights. You know, the 70 didn't have those marker lights on the side there, but they did have that bar in the grill. Soft spot for these cars. My dad used to have one when I was a kid, and first car that I ever saw triple digits in, I seen the needle swing past 100, was a 70 Chevelle with my dad driving it. Back when I was a little, mama would have killed him if she'd have known. But little two-door too. Wow, I'll check that out. Got 3 2s. How cool is that? You know, whenever you find a bunch of cool cars, there's going to be cool people around too. I'm going to stop and talk to some of them for a minute, but I appreciate y'all watching. Alright, I'm going to continue my walk around here. But I had to stop and get a little shot of this Camaro. It's kind of an interesting color. You don't see that on many. But, 327. It's probably 67 or 8, I guess. But, cool car.